Hey YouTube, I'm back doing food reviews. I'm gonna review the 10-piece chicken nugget with honey mustard, a large Diet Coke, and a cheeseburger. So first I'm gonna review, and the fries. So first I'm gonna review the chicken nuggets with the sweet and sour sauce. I normally have it with the barbecue sauce, but let's see how it tastes. There it is in the middle. Juicy and tendery. These are really cooked well. You can taste the actual chicken. And with the sweet and sour sauce, it adds a little kick to it. There's a sauce. The sauce. So there is a chicken nugget. Here is the almighty cheeseburger. Pickles, onions, ketchup, and I don't like pickles, so I'm gonna take them off. Let's see how it tastes. Probably tastes normal. I like extra onions though. These are pretty good too. There's the grease. There's another grease. Let me try Diet Coke. I would give this meal 9 out of 10. And the French fries. It costs $7.59 the whole meal. At McDonald's. I should have gotten 2 cheeseburgers. So, like, subscribe, comment, and share. I usually don't finish the fries because a lot of oil and fat. So, see you guys later. Get me to 1 million subscribers, and peace to the Middle East.